on the sixth day,
Yes.
right? So it's a very important clue.
That's the sixth. Okay.
Yes. So read line number 6.
The noble person is changeable as a leopard. The lowly change only on the surface. Inauspicious for the army to advance, auspicious for remaining at home.
Auspicious for remaining at home. So if you want to take a travel or do any such thing, you must postpone.
Or
I want to give you a case study. I want you to remember, if you get this, somebody may lose his job.
okay.
It happened in my own case.
Oh, okay.
That morning I got this reading. I went to office. The chairman said, "Sir, my children somehow don't like you, sir." Hello. I said, "It's okay. I'm not coming to office from tomorrow." Evening I came back and read what I read in the morning.
Mm.
Auspicious to remain at home.
If you had been at home, this was problem was not happening.
Not that. I don't know. I should what I understood in the evening I did not understand in the morning.
Morning.
Uh, the possibilities, if the question is on that area, then you have to get a clue. There is something happening in the behind, right?
Right, sir. Right.
Not to threaten, but these are all very different experiences, different ways of understanding it. Okay, go to 50.
The trip. A major auspicious woman, let an offering be made.
Mm.
Which line should I?
See, tripod is a vessel, no, a cooking vessel. It will have three legs.
Okay. 3 legs, sir.
Okay, you read number 1.
The feet of the tripod are overturned, favorable for expelling the obstructions, taking a concubine to bear a son no harm.
Ah, here the husband takes the help of another woman or some other technology like embryo transfer, all that, for the sake of a son. See, you are having modern technologies in Bangalore. You have IVF hospitals, no?
Yes, sir. We have a
Many.
lot.
Ah, see, that is what is told here.
Okay.
Ancient times, it was a custom to have secondary wife.
Yes.
Nange maganilla.
We'll get second
He
marriage.
needs a maga. So,
Maklagilla. They'll go for
ah.
second marriage.
ಇಲ್ಲ makkal means plural. It means a girl also. Maga.
Okay. Maga.
It is only son.
Son.
For the sake of son, this man marries again.
It's happened in my friend's life also, sir.
Hmm.
The girl, I mean, my friend's wife, she only demanded, I'm not getting girl, I mean,
Boy.
baby, we'll try. Then she only made him to get second marriage.
Ah, very good. We are only in 50. In 54, this will be told.
Okay. So this has happened real time to me, my friend itself. Now they both he has two wives.
Hmm. So that is the thing. So I think knows what tricks you do in your life and what is happening. Go to number 51.
51. 51 is Zen, thunder. Let an offering to be made. Offering be made, sorry. Thunder comes dreadful, yet one laugh and talks. Thunderclaps is heard 100 miles, yet not one ladle of sacrificial wine is spilled.
Well, see, ladle means spoon.
Ladle means
Yeah, spoon or ganta. What do you call karandi? No, it's a small one, like a tablespoon like thing.
okay.
Have you in the school? You would have done a lime with.
Yeah, lime with the spoon
Ah,
running.
it should not be lost. The lime should not fall.
Fall.
Same way, here it says there is a thunder. You are holding a spoon with that offering wine. Not one drop fell down. That means it is all safe,
Safe.
right?
Right.
Very good. Number 6.
For 6, shall I go first? The thunder threatens, you watch in terror, inauspicious for the army to advance. The
Mm.
thunder goes does not strike you,
Mm.
but strikes your neighbor.
Ah,
Not no harm. There is a talk of marriage.
see, many things are told in one line.
The
The
heart, sir.
thunder strikes, but not you. Thunder strikes your neighbor.
Neighbor.
That means you escape that punishment, whatever.
Punishment.
I'm
And there
not
is a
getting joy out of neighbor getting struck by thunder. You have to pity, help him, whatever, but you're safe. That is what it means. And
there's
there
a
is
marriage.
talk of
Marriage.
marriage. I want to give you a case study. A boy like you, he came for studying.
Okay.
After that, he asked one question. He never told me he got married and divorced in the
Okay.
beginning. He asked me about, sir, I want to get married, so I want to know something. He got this answer, and it is a very surprising thing that I was telling him, it is time you can talk about your marriage. His mother called him,
Okay.
and he asked his mother, where are you? She said, we are going to the girl's house to fix your marriage.
Okay.
You
Good.
understand?
Yeah, understood, sir.
So
It's
he
a
was
big
only
constant.
asking the question and see the timing.
Timing. I was that thinking, sir. What a timing.